Hey, my name's Zach. When refreshing an Apple web page, all you're going to have to do is press two buttons. So here I am on my computer, and I'm going to go to Safari. Once that opens, we can go to any website we like. Now I'm on one of my favorite websites right now, so if I wanted to refresh this and see if there was any new content or anything, I would hit the Apple icon and R, and it refreshes the page, as you can see up here. And I'll do it again, Command R. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to use the Apple icon to refresh your page. Thanks for watching.